We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. It is what, Tuesday afternoon right now. 70 degrees outside. It is well, no, actually the rain is gone. There's a little cloud, some sunshine kicking through, but nonetheless, we got John J first in the chat today. What's going on, John J? Paul Wright, AMC Trapper, Paul, Dark Matter, Tim, John J, Robert. What's going on, Robert? Dark Matter, Tim, Lucky's Thoughts, Tim, Dark Matter, PS5, Future Gaming, Tim, Paul Wright, Dark Matter, Frank. What's going on, Frank? PS5. We got Paul Stig, Dark Matter, Stig, and we're here. We're ready to go. Let's see what's going on in the market right now. We've got AMC in the top left, sitting at 22.56 right now. Not as bad as earlier, but sitting at sitting 5.84% lower on the day. Shiba Inu coin back at that 1,200 point per coin level. GameStop sitting at 40.45 right now, 6.87% lower on the day. Bitcoin still sitting around $23,000 per coin. We've got the Nasdaq basically sideways all day today, sitting down 1%, GameStop down 7%, BR Therapeutics down 3%, AMC down 6%, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down. Sundial sitting down 3.5%, Mullen Auto down 1.6%, CEI down 3.35 or down to 35 cents, down 3.64%. We've got the SPY sitting 0.41% lower, BBIG still suspended, Highcraft Mining barcoding at $1. We've got Netflix sitting at 229.74, Redbox down 13%, Clovis down 13%, Box up 0.26%. Revlon down 5%, 9,500 points per coin on Terra Luna Classic, and 317.17 for the QQQ. My goodness, guys. What a lousy day today. I'm telling you. What a lousy day today. And I did not hit you guys with an ad in, so now everybody who comes in after you is going to get hit with an ad. Here we go. We're going to be back in here. Monetization is on. Looking good right now. And that was all Big Clay. Should have been Little Clay, Big Weeble. My goodness, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Alex, good afternoon, man. H. Is your name H? Or is it? I don't know how to say your name, dude. CPI comes out tomorrow. Ooh. Dark Matter, actually, I wasn't even thinking about CPI coming out tomorrow. Interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow is going to be a very important day indeed, and I was not even thinking about it. Caesar ain't scared of nothing. Market sucks. Monkey, yes. The market does suck today. Muscle and mass. That is definitely true, my man. Everything is down like 5 to 10%. Cryptocurrency down 3 to 5%. Deep declines across the board. My goodness, I wish we had some gains, but at least we're bouncing off some of the lows that we saw earlier. $21.75, $21, $22 mark, and we're currently sitting at $22.50 on AMC. GameStop bouncing off some of the lows we saw earlier. I don't know what the lows today were. $39, and it is back up to $40.50. So GameStop not doing terribly, but we still want to see some gains, man. We're down 7% right now. Shiba Inu coin, it looks like a decent drop, but honestly, it's from 1,200 points per coin down to 1194, like 6 points. Nobody cares about 6 points in Shiba Inu coin. That's barely moving at all. But yes, overall red day. As you guys can see, there's one green. Boxed is the only green on the left-hand side of the screen right now. Literally everything else in the red. Let's go to... What were we looking at earlier? I forget what you guys had on earlier. I don't even know. Where's HKD? Ooh, 197. Continuing to drop on HKD. $197 there. Yeah, we can go back out here, though. Wow, somebody sending text messages while I'm live. Don't do that, guys. Don't send text messages. Should forget about all these coins and jump into XRP. Ing Andro. Well, you can, man. You don't have to retract your message. So, look, dude, if you want to forget about all these coins and jump into XRP, just know that XRP could do very well if the SEC investigation and the case that's going on there as to whether or not it's a security or a cryptocurrency is going to have a major impact on the price. So if you're thinking about getting into XRP, I would do so if you strongly believe that it is going to be considered a cryptocurrency and all of the hassle that the SEC put them through. They're not even going to apologize for it afterwards. So just hope that they beat the SEC if you're thinking about getting into Ripple or XRP. That's why everyone is scared of tomorrow. I'm telling you, dude. Yeah, tomorrow, I forgot about that. I didn't realize CPI was already coming out tomorrow. CPI is going to be an interesting release tomorrow morning. I believe at 8:30 in the morning. So it is going to be... I'm expecting CPI above 9.1%. Let's see what the market's expecting. They were... Last I looked, it was 8.7 or something. Yes, consensus is still at 8.7%. Consensus, as you guys can see, is still 8.7% on CPI. Current reading is 9.1%. If the market is, in fact, pricing in an 8.7% increase, it means that inflation may have peaked. I don't necessarily believe that that's true. So we'll see what happens with this release tomorrow, whether or not these analysts are whack or whether or not these analysts actually know what they're talking about. But 8.7 is going to be the magic number that we are looking at. As you can see here, minus food and energy, inflation is actually still increasing. Not only is it at expected to come in at 6.1%, but it's higher than the previous reading, meaning that minus food and energy, inflation is still out of control. Including food and energy, they do expect it to come down slightly. So we're going to have to see what goes on there. But nonetheless, tomorrow's going to be a big morning at 8:30, right? Let me confirm that time. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Going to be a big morning for CPI, literally affecting crypto, stocks, bonds. It doesn't matter. It's going to affect it all. Declines or sale prices. Exactly, Tim. Exactly. Is the glass half full or half empty? Can you make a video about futuristic coin? I think it has potential. XPA jocks, man. Maybe at some point, but I literally know nothing about futuristic coins, so it would be tough for me to make one anytime soon. I reacted because I needed to fix my grammar. Dude. Yeah, don't worry about the grammar, man. So many people type so many things in here. I wouldn't worry about the grammar at all. MEGL took a whoop. Dude, MEGL took a big old whooping today. MEGL was dropping 80% earlier. Where is it at now? Down 90%, man. MEGL is down 90% right now to $12 a share. I believe it was 19 or 21 when we were looking at it earlier today. Somewhere, I think maybe somewhere in this range right here. Maybe it had come down and tapped the 19 and then was sitting in that $21 range. My goodness. And no options. So don't worry, you couldn't make any money playing options on it. But going from a $87 open, currently sitting at $12 a share. I hope, man, that these people that are buying MEGL did not get ripped and lose 99% of their value over the last couple of days. That would be... This is 99.5%, right? Basically 200 to 10, 250 to 12, 99.5% of their money would have been lost, correct? My gosh, what a strong drop. I don't know if you guys had MEGL or not, but if you did, hopefully you're okay. 8 August, what is this, 8.7? We rip. Let's do it, Vecna. I don't know what 8.7 we're talking about, but let's make it happen. Only coin I'm holding for the long run is a Zero. Only 2 big exchanges sell it. Imagine when others adopt it. Nice, Caesar. Yeah, usually the more exchanges that do adopt the coin, the better the coin price is. Hey, excellent content. Love your video. I'm not sure if you're aware, however, a new coin by the name Futuristic Coin has a lot to prove. Crypto news. Interesting. You were the second person to say crypto. XPA Jocks 10 just said, talking about Futuristic Coin. Where are you guys coming from, man? You guys should be friends. We're looking at AMC's chart. JB. Yeah, no. Fortunately, that was MEGL's chart, not AMC's chart. AMC is sitting here down, 6% lower on the day. AMC sitting at 22.49 after hours right now. JB, you, Pika, and Bronson, you guys got shirts on the way, man. Congratulations, JB. The time has finally come, JB. The time has finally come. That Chip Rose shirt is freshly printed as of this afternoon, and it is on its way. Bronson, first to respond. Well, actually, J-Bones was first to respond, but J-Bones doesn't wear a small or medium. So Bronson, first to respond, claimed a medium in the Discord. So very nice, Bronson, on that one. Your shirt's on the way. And of course, Pika's got that tie-dye, one-of-a-kind bro shirt on the way to her right now. So congratulations. Awesome, guys. I love it. Makes me happy when I can send that stuff out. So hopefully it gets there. Honestly, I don't know. I'd probably say definitely by the end of the week, right? But, dude, a day or two? Tomorrow? I don't know. Mailed it out at what, 2:30? I doubt tomorrow, man. Thursday or Friday, I'd say. There's no way they get it in there in a day. This is the post office we're talking about. There's no way they get it to you in a day. I'd say Thursday or Friday. Let's see. I do wish I could buy some XRP, which is $100 worth, but I don't know where to buy it. I definitely wouldn't buy more than that. Yeah, dark matter, man. I don't know. You could have bought it. I think you could have bought it on Voyager, but we all know how that's going right now. Oh, so that's clear. What do you think about MU? What is MU? I know I've looked at this stock before. Micron Technology. You know what? I don't know too much about what these guys got going on. I don't know what these guys do, man, but okay. I'm going to assume tech sector. This .com bubble leading to massive gains and a big decline. What I do like about where we're currently at is that this level in here that we tapped before, the lower 50s, is some very strong long-term support dating back several years. So, although I don't know a ton about what these guys do, I think that the $50 range where we're at right here could be some very good technical support. You know, we got a lot going on in the market, man. We got a lot going on in the market, and if you think these guys are going to be good long-term, yeah, I definitely think you can see it rise back up and hit that $100 range again, if not go much higher than where we're at as time goes on. But simply looking at where we are, this area is definitely some strong support. So I would hope and imagine that it does hold up there. If not, I would wait until you kind of get into the lower 50s, tapping this line and a few lines that were tapped back here. So lower 50 is probably much stronger support, but even where you're at right now can still hold up as support and bounce off that. It's really going to depend on the overall economy and the overall market, but MU could turn out to be a very good investment, man. I've been listening, Clay. When's the best time for options, or the usual time people look to buy options? Interesting. So, Chris, let me... Oh, 8.7%, talking about CPI data. AMC Trapper. Very good. Thank you for letting me know, because I didn't know what he was talking about there. So the best time to buy options. Are you talking about literally the best time to open an options position, or are you talking the best time to buy options like, Wednesday being the best time to buy options that expire on Friday, or like the best time frame for your options expiration? Or at least send me the bro logo. I'll make a dang shirt myself. Yes, Chris, you're gonna have to win one, man. You're gonna have to win one, dude. Bronson won one in the Discord earlier. So if you're not in the Discord, let's get a link for the Discord out there, and then you guys can join the darn Discord, right? You guys can join the. I'm gonna put a link in the Discord. I am hitting you with an ad while I put it in there. Just give me 2 seconds. All right, cool. We're back. So the best time to buy options, man. It's the same question. It's the same answer. Is when's the best time to buy a stock? Now, there's no perfect time to buy a stock, But if you're looking at what the best time to buy a stock or buy an option are, typically, we've got a rising stock price, not a falling stock price. Because what we typically see is a continuation of the trend. You are more likely to see the trend continue on than you are to time the peak perfectly. And a lot of people expect to time the bottom perfectly. Therefore, they're going to go in and buy it because it's falling. And that's great if you are willing to wait a long time. But what are the chances that you are actually going to time that bottom perfectly? Very slim. The chance is greater that it's going to continue moving lower. Same deal if the stock is moving higher. What are the chances that you time that buy perfectly at the top, or perfectly imperfectly at the top? It's less than the trend continuing on. So if you're looking at buying into a stock, especially if it's a longer term hold or even a shorter term hold, the stock price rising could be a good thing. If you're thinking about options, same deal. Now, with options, it's different than when you're buying a stock. You have to be concerned about the expiration date. Now, you can get stocks that expire today. Well, you can get options that expire today. Sorry. You can get options that expire today. You can get options that expire at the end of the week. You can get options that expire at the end of the month. You can get options that expire at the end of the year. You can get options that expire a couple years from now. So the expiration date is always going to be very important to look at. The sooner or the closer the expiration date is to now, the cheaper the option's going to be. The further out the expiration date is, the more expensive the stock price or the option price is going to be. And it just makes sense, right? If you're looking at something that expires at the end of this week, it's got very little time to move or make a large move in price. If you're buying something that expires next year, I mean, anything can happen by next year. Dude, we could have a stock market rally and we're up 4,000%. We could have World War V after we've fought and had World War III and IV. We could have World War V come out in the next year and we're at zero, right? Anything can happen if you give it time to happen. So you're going to be paying more. You're going to be paying more for stock options that have a further out expiration date. But as far as when is the right time to buy a stock option, it's the same thing you got to answer for the stock. If you believe the stock is going up or will go up, I mean, why not buy it, right? Why not? Traders all day will go in, they see a stock moving up, they'll buy it because they expect it to continue moving up. Even if it moves up 1%, they've hit, man, and there's the profit. It is as simple as that, and that's a way to look at it. People look at moving averages to determine whether or not the trend is up. People look at support lines to determine whether or not the trend is up. People look at things like the relative strength index. There's a lot of different things. MACD. There's a lot of different things that you can look at to determine whether or not a stock or option price is going up or down. But the time to buy is when you believe the stock is going up in price. Now, if you believe the stock is going down, you can still buy an option, but you would buy a put option as opposed to a call option. Price some burger, steak, and ribs. Very nice. Howdy, old friends. Spank Nanners. What's going on, man? How you doing? Clearo, you never try to catch a falling knife. You're gonna bleed. Facts on that, man. You will bleed. 99% of the time. They really don't want to drum running in 2024. Yeah, I mean, that's a fact. Options, selling beats buying, in my opinion. Yeah, Frank, look, man. That is another thing that you guys can do if you're into options. A lot of people think that buying options is the only way to make money in options. You can sell options as well. Now, you could sell covered calls or cash secured puts, which basically would mean that if you have 100 shares in anything, doesn't have to be AMC, but if you have 100 shares in a company and you think that the stock price is either going to go up a little bit or it might go down over the next couple of days, you can sell a covered call and make money. And let's look at that, okay? we'll just use AMC as an example here. But if you're looking at AMC and I wish I could go further out, right? But $24 is the best we've got right here. $24 is the best we got because I'm not logged in, so I can't see all of the options pricing right now. But if you own 100 shares of AMC and you want to make some money on AMC, and these options expire August 12th, so these options expire on Friday. You don't think that AMC is going to be able to pass $24 by Friday. You either think that, and you're still bullish, you think it might even go all the way up to $23.99. That's still bullish. You're still expecting a $1.50 increase in the price. But you decide to go out there and sell a covered call on AMC at a $24 strike price. What happens? You sell that call option. You are obligated to sell your 100 shares of AMC at $24 per share if the guy that bought the contract wants to exercise it. So what does that look like? If AMC goes all the way up to $23.99, you will not get exercised on. And you will bring in, just for making that sale, $1.14 for every share in that contract, which is 100 shares. So you're going to make $114 for selling this contract right here. You get to keep that $114 no matter what. The only thing you have to worry about is AMC going above $24 per share. If you get exercised on, you still get $24 per share for your AMC. So the worst that can happen for you is that AMC goes up above $24, you get exercised on, and then you just say, you know what? I'm going to turn right around. I'm going to buy those AMC shares back. I got exercised on. I'm going to get back in. And if you can get back in below $25.14, you still made money. You see what I'm saying? Like, so you can go out there and essentially sell your shares of AMC without selling your shares of AMC and make a profit if you're selling covered calls. The same thing happens with a put. So, and let's say that you did believe that AMC was going to get ripped by the end of the week. You could sell them for $22 a share. If you think that AMC is going to finish below $22 a share, you would be able to sell your covered calls for $1.58 each and make $158 instead of $114. So you could think about that. Or no, $22, $177. So you make $177 instead of $114. There's probably stock options way down here that if you don't believe AMC is going to pass $40 per share by the end of the week, and I don't know what the price is or the premium is on those stock options right now because I can't see them, but if you don't think that AMC is going to pass $40 by Friday, sell some covered calls, and you might be able to make, I don't know what they're trading at. Let's just say they're trading at 20 cents. You'd be able to make, $20? You'd be able to make $20 if you sold those covered calls because you don't think that AMC is going to pass $40. If it does pass $40, what you're essentially doing is setting your take profit at $40 on AMC. So you're guaranteeing yourself a $20 income if it doesn't go up that high, and you've got to take profit on at $40 if it does go that high. Simple as that. You can generate some income like that. Frank is the income master on stock options there. So very nice. And if you believe the stock price is going to go up in value, you could do these cover calls if you want. If you're selling a cover call, you want to keep your strike price above where you expect the price to be. But if you believe it's going to go up, you could sell some puts. You could sell some cash secured puts as well. What you're doing if you sell a put is you're saying, look, man, I'm going to sell you the idea right now that you can sell me AMC for $20 a share if you want. Now, that's going to be great if AMC drops down to $10 a share because it's going to be great for the guy that bought it, right? Because he's going to be able to sell it to you for $20 a share. If it goes up to $21, if it sits at $20.01, you're in the clear. You brought in that premium, and you don't have to go out there and buy it. But you do need cash in your account if you're going to be selling if you're going to be selling puts like that, you need to have cash in your account because you are obligated to buy that. You're obligated to buy those stocks, 100 shares per contract if you sell a put. And if you sell a call, you're obligated to give that person your 100 shares if it goes and expires above that price and they call those shares away. But for example, if you wanted to sell somebody the right to put AMC to you at $24 a share, you're going to be receiving $2.64. They're going to pay you $264 to be able to sell you 100 shares of AMC by Friday at $24 a share. So if AMC goes above $24, dude, you just made $264 on top of the money that you made as it goes higher in price. So very cool way to make money in options, and hopefully it made a little sense. If it didn't, I would really appreciate you guys asking questions right now because I would like to be able to answer those during some options videos. So if something I said there did not make sense, I would really like it if you guys, made me clarify so I could see where I need to explain a little bit better or where I need to focus on and something like that. So if your mind's turning right now and you're like, what? That didn't make sense. Like if you got something, please let me know. You need that money to be able to buy those 100 shares. Yes, if you are selling the puts, right? Hey, bro. Hey, man. How you doing? Doing good, Millhouse. Send you some positive vibes. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate that. I know that sometimes what you're doing can be some work and isn't easy as you make it look. Aight, man. Millhouse, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate that, dude. Listen, it is work, right? Nonetheless, I do enjoy it. The part that I don't enjoy is all the guys, just ripping people on Twitter and the comments and all that stuff. And there's a nicer way to go about doing that, but that's by far the worst thing is all the negativity and negative comments that take place. But nonetheless, man, I do have a lot of fun with what we're doing here. Stocks go up, down, or sideways as an option seller. 2 out of those 3 have you. Yeah, Frank, and you can make money going up, down, or sideways in stocks or in options, right? You can make money every single direction. Typically, if you're only buying a stock, you need it to go up, right? But options do allow you the opportunity to make money, regardless of the direction that the stock is going. But because you have that added ability, you also do have, anytime you increase your reward or increase your ability to earn, you are increasing your risk as well. I mean, if anybody ever tells you if you start to get into learning about options, what you're going to see very quickly is I can sell you this course. I can sell you this options trading idea, this perfect trading plan where you're going to be able to make $1,000 a day trading options and you are going to be filthy rich. I'm telling you right now that those dudes either don't trade options or they have had a couple days where they made $1,000 a day. And then they use that as bait to bring people in. Yes, it is possible. But yes, I can guarantee you will have winners and you will have losers. The only name of the game, and this is speaking from experience, man, the only name of the game is you have to show back up tomorrow. If you show back up tomorrow, you are a winner. If you are playing options, you can burn yourself to death in one play. Or, yes, think about it as a major gamble. If you hit, you can 10x your account in a major day. But if you risk blowing yourself up on one trade, there is always, regardless of the percentage, there is always that chance that you will not make it back tomorrow. So these guys that tell you that you're going to make $1,000 a day or whatever, yes, it's possible, but please be aware that there's no such thing as a perfect trading system. There's no such thing as a perfect plan. The plan is to show back up tomorrow, and that starts with capital preservation. You cannot blow your account up, or you will blow yourself up too. I heard that were the developments of the burn tax on Luke, but I didn't see what they were. Yeah, dark matter. So I'm actually going to do the video on that tonight. It's basically the fact that Terraform Labs and Terra Rebels are promoting the same exact update now. So we're looking at just having these validators. As soon as the validators take on the Terra Rebel or Terraform Lab update, it is going to be good to go. We only need 50% implementation by the validators, and that burn tax is set, and we'll be burning 1.2% on every transaction. So we imagine that all the validators are going to update and allow you to do that. Those fake clippers trying to scam people out of USDT, and apparently, yeah, man, we got to worry about that, dude. I ain't cooking anybody's wife dinner duck for dinner tonight, or I ain't cooking anybody's wife dinner tonight, or anything like that for sure. But definitely ain't cooking no duck, dude. Perfect strategy does not exist. Listen, I don't have a problem with guys like selling courses and making money and hyping people up and stuff like that too. By all means, man, sell whatever you can sell. If somebody's willing to buy it, let them buy it. I don't like lying though, okay? I would sell a course all day long, showing the risks and rewards and allowing you to choose if that's something that you want to do. Explaining what you need to do and laying it out in front of you and saying, okay, now go implement this in your life. Please know though that there's no perfect trade. Frank is so right, man. There's no perfect trading plan. There's no perfect trade. You can get very lucky, but you can also get burned. And that's the same with stocks too. It just doesn't happen with options. It's the same as stocks, man. You will have winners. You will have losers. You just have to make sure that you either have more winners than losers, or your winners are heavier than your losers are. You can have 10 losers and 2 winners, but if your 10 losers were a 3% loss and your 2 winners were a 50% gain, you are still in the positive. You're still making money. So all you have to do is make sure your trading plan allows for a positive win percentage. And that is either by outpacing the losses in terms of quantity or outpacing the losses in terms of overall percentage quantity. It is really as simple as that. And it sounds boring because nobody likes losers. Everybody wants to make $1,000 a day. But imagine making $1,000 a day because, well, I made $3,000 today. I made $2,000 tomorrow. I lost $4,000 the next day, but I made $3,000 the following day, and then I lost $1,000, and then I made $2,000, and then I lost $5,000, and I made $500, and I made $500, and I made $500, and I made $500, and I made $4,000, and I lost $2,000. You have to average out your wins and your losses to get to those levels. But I'm going to tell you, it's a lot less stressful if you're just making, $100, losing $50, making $300, losing $20. Like, a lot less stressful when you're doing that. Hey, gonna need a few lives from the beach on vacation. Moji, man, we'll have to see how the weather holds up. Let's see where we at. Go back down here. I'll sell water to a whale, man. J Bones, that's what I'm talking about, dude. I'd sell water to a whale too. I wouldn't lie to him and tell him it's salt water and then give him fresh water and watch him die. But nonetheless, man, if that whale needed some water, I would definitely sell it to him. If you want to repeg UST, then it needs to be based on real money like USDC and not algorithmic, because these types of coins, yeah, dude, I do agree. The algorithmic stable coin is very dangerous in my opinion, and people are talking about repegging. Let's see here. We've got, I hate apples. What do you think about this idea? I plan to buy 50 more AMC shares and open a CFD sell position for 52. So I get APE shares, but I'm protected from not being able to trade pre-market. Let's see. You know what? I hate apples. Yeah, if you want to do that simply because you want the APE, I say go for it. But I also don't think it's necessarily a bad idea if you want to buy your APE separate. If you want to go in and after the split happens, get APE and get AMC, I don't think that there's really any difference there. I do think you'll be able to purchase APE. I think that people will be selling their APE. I think that it's going to be tradable on the market. So it all depends on the timing and when you want to get the different shares. So I don't think that you have to necessarily go in and get them now. I do think that they will be available after the split happens. Please search. Come to see he's a Turkish actor and he looks like your older version. Yeah, dude, I gotta see this guy. Let's see if this dude actually exists. I don't know, man. I don't know. If I could be biased or whatever because I think I look different, but what do you guys think? Does this dude look like the older version of me or not? I don't know. This is the Turkish actor who looks like he could be my older version. Losing is part of the game. I consider paying taxes up front, but you're right 70% of the time, and you have to already pay the 40% tax. Yeah, Riptide Redemption. Absolutely, man. And you know what? You could be right 40% of the time as opposed to the 70% of the time. But if you have a tight stop loss and you don't lose big on those 60% of your trades, you can still come out a winner. You know, like you absolutely can still come out a winner because your gains would outpace your losses in terms of like actual dollar gains. You know, like I hope you guys understand what I'm saying there. Scroll back down, catching up now. No, never ignore J Bones, man. If you show a man a fish, you've sparked a man. Teach a man a fish, you've destroyed your market. Oh no! Well, I guess I should teach him how to fish responsibly then. Oh, you know what I did? I missed a super chat because I see it up top, but I don't see where it was. Moji, man! Git goop! Git goop! Git goop! Git goop! Moji, thank you very much for the Git goop! Thank you very much, Moji, for the Git goop, man. Git goop, guys. Heck yeah. Not a bad day at all, considering all things. They used millions of borrowed shares to short AMC. We still finished the day above 22. We are still, dude, I hope that we kill it the rest of this week and into the dividend distribution there. You could be your older brother or cousin. Dang, man. Oh, crap. That's man, everybody thinks that's me? What? It's Clay at 55. Oh, man. Oh, I guess it's me then. If you guys say yes, definitely me. A good person asks specific questions pertaining to blah, blah, blah. Just fast talk and make them laugh and assume everything. And then wrap it up quick AF and put a little bow on it. There you go. Outdoor smile. Because I know you know exactly how to do it, man. You know exactly. A good salesperson asks specific questions, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, right. Just fast talk and make them laugh and assume everything. Outdoor smile. I love it, dude. Plot twist. I look like young Shia LaBeouf. Ooh. That's pretty good, man. That dude was hilarious. That dude was hilarious for sure. Especially in Even Stevens, man. I think you look like Lex Luthor. John didn't somebody say that before? Oh, God, man. All right, I am for sure. Somebody has to remind me to for sure rip on Chris at some point, man. I don't know. Somebody's got to remind me to for sure rip on Chris at some point. I think I got to shave my beard or something. I think I got to get rid of this beard. Oh boy. Oh boy. I gotta either get to shave this beard or really learn how to rip on Chris. I don't know, man. Let's see. Thanks. Seems some debate about APE and AMC price post-dividend. Surely, if, say, AMC is 24, then post both will be $12. But reckon pre-market can see APE dumped. Possibly. I hate apples. I don't know why we would see a major dump-off in APE pre-market. I would imagine we are going to see a very heavy correlation between the price of AMC and APE. We have to remember that every share of APE gets a vote for AMC Entertainment. So, and these votes are perhaps going to be the most important thing that you own when it comes to this entire short squeeze. If the hedge funds control the vote, the short squeeze is over. Okay? There's no other simple way to put that. If the hedge funds control the vote, the short squeeze is over. They can simply vote to convert their shares to AMC, and all they need is the 100 million that are reported as outstanding. So it's crucial that we don't allow them to stack more shares of APE or AMC than we own. And if they do dump APE and the price goes down and they can start to buy 2 shares of APE for every AMC, it's going to be twice as cheap to stack those votes. If Ape gets cut in half again, they can stack 4 for every share of AMC. Dude, they're going to be buying votes at 1/4 of the price. 25 cents on the dollar, man. It's going to be bad if they do become detached, but I do think there should be some sort of correlation. But y'all's a tad stronger than his, but yeah, I've been mistaken for him at Universal a couple times in the past. Vecna, that is incredible if that is true. My midget never invested his life savings in a MEGL first thing this morning. It just went to check on him. It appears that he passed, oh my gosh, to his forehead, pasted the thing to his forehead using crazy glue. It's stuck. Literally make sure he's okay, though. If somebody did invest in MEGL this morning, they're probably not having a very good day today. I don't know why everybody talking about Bone Shiba swap. Because Bone is up, man. People like to talk about things that are up in price, and Bone is up in price. I need a bro fro to live, no shave. Facts on that. Riptide Redemption. Thank you very much. AMC Trapper, if you're, ooh, he is in the chat right now. Riptide Redemption, man. I'm looking at you, but I'm thinking about Trapper. This is the licking stick. You take the banana, you tilt your head back a little bit, you lick, and you stick. Riptide, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, man. You guys are awesome. That's all I got to say about that. Trapper needs a banana. Trapper got a banana, baby. Oh, yes. MEGL is a day trade buy. Look at the name, guys. Look at the name. The Gambler says that MEGL is a day trade buy. We're going to come over here and look at MEGL right now. MEGL is down big. It's up after hours. Closed the day down 90%, sitting at $14 after hours right now. It is up 14%, 13.8%. Gosh. So be careful with MEGL. I know it's nice to see a 14% gain after hours right now. But if you're looking at the daily chart, we went from $250 yesterday and down to $11 today. Closed at $12. Even if you're looking at that 14% or $14, it's $249 down to $14. So please be very careful. If you are thinking about day trading MEGL, I mean, you guys can if you want. I'm not going to do it. Frodo, am I blocked? G, you're not blocked. I see you right there, man. If Ape goes to 1/4 of AMC, I think retail, I hope so. Frodo, I hope retail's smart enough to realize that we need that vote. We don't just need AMC, and the Ape does count as a vote, right? And we would massively be able to eat it up. The only thing that I don't want to see is that even if Ape does get a lot cheaper and retail eats it up, I really don't want retail to have to eat up 5 more billion shares of anything, even if it's at $1. I really don't want retail to be spending $5 billion. Right, number one, if we get Ape, will AMC go up or down? Also, when it's diluted, can we get puts or not on that situation? So, Chris, yes. When we get Ape, AMC is going to go down. So what we're looking at is most likely a situation where, let's say we're trading at $20 per share, AMC is going to drop down to $10, and Ape's going to drop down to $10. It can be slightly off. Like we said, it doesn't have to be perfect. But considering they have all of the same rights and that there's a little bit of added pressure on Ape because there's no... it is a preferred share, yes, so that's slightly beneficial, but it's not guaranteed to convert and things like that. It may be trading at a slightly different price. So it's most likely going to drop the price of AMC down to $10 per share, and Ape will be trading at $10 a share as well. Now, as far as the puts are concerned, yes, you can, and yes, it will drop the price. So if the dilution comes out and you own a put, I don't know when they're going to open the options chain for Ape, okay? But let's make the assumption that dilution is going to take a while. A few weeks, few months, maybe even by, next year or something. Let's make the assumption that it's going to take a while before dilution on Ape starts up. And let's make the assumption that the options chain is open. Yes, you can buy a put on Ape. But I will say this. Any future dilution of Ape, so you would make money if you bought a put and Adam Aaron decided to add another 500 million shares of Ape. Ape would drop down in price or should drop down in price at that time. AMC, should drop down in price as well. We have to remember, okay, that this correlation is not just going to be or shouldn't be during the original distribution. AMC and APE are they're the same exact thing, except the only difference is they have a different ticker symbol. They are both ownership in AMC Entertainment. And let's just say right now, for example purposes, there's 500 million shares of AMC outstanding, there's 500 million shares of APE outstanding, and Adam Aron issues another 500 million shares of APE. All of a sudden, there's 1 billion shares of APE and 500 million shares of AMC. If you're the majority owner of APE, that's where the vote's at. That's the controlling factor in AMC at this point. So at that point, AMC makes up 1/3 of the overall AMC Entertainment. APE is making up 2/3 of the overall AMC Entertainment. If we get to the point where 5 billion shares of APE are in existence, AMC only makes up 1/10 of AMC Entertainment, and APE makes up the other 90% of AMC Entertainment. So it will, and it should, dilute the price of AMC every single time that APE is distributed. Now, Adam Aron is going to argue that it is going to be good for AMC because it's going to raise money for AMC, it's going to put them in a better position financially, and so on. And although that is true, we have to remember this is not about AMC being financially just brilliant with $1 billion, $10 billion in the bank. This is about squeezing hedge funds out of their positions. And we can't do that if they're the majority owner. Let's see. He did not take this play, but if you sold covered calls in on Monday above $26 for a $30 strike, you collected a $2.05 premium. Market closed today with them at 39 cents. Easily 75% profit. Running made it too risky. Nice, Frank, dude. That is awesome. And yeah, you guys too. Look, if you're making those, if you're selling covered calls and so on, it's not like you have to sit there and wait either on your position to expire. You can go out and you can close your position out, or you can go buy those calls at that point so that you take in your premium. The price does start to come back down, and if you don't want to risk it going up and rallying again because the volatility is there, you can simply go and buy some covered call or buy some calls as well so that you are covered in that situation where you can have your shares cancel each other out and you're not on the hook anymore. You can always close your position out early or cover your position early so that you don't have to worry about it for the next month. If you choose a month out expiration, if you choose a year out expiration, you can close your option position early as well. I think I just missed. I missed 2 of them. Click, gotta hop into trades live stream and watch me troll everyone. I don't know how it's tapped to be a blue mechanic, but I'll be darned before I waste it. Oh my gosh, Vecna, man, go have fun in there if you want to. If you guys want to go watch Vecna have some fun, the dude loves to troll, that's for sure. It doesn't have to be eat up 5 billion clay. All it would take would maximum be is facts, dude. Frodo, yeah, I know. I just don't want to. It's like, it's like at the end of a superhero movie, man. If this power fell into the wrong hands, it would be disastrous. That's the way I feel right now. If it falls into the hands of the hedge funds, it's going to be a disaster. But in the meantime, Michael, man, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Michael, man, thank you very much for the fist bump. Absolutely appreciate that, dude. And we've got Tim reminding everybody out there right now to click the like button. Do it for Tim, man. Do it for Tim. What are we at? We beat 100 likes earlier. You guys destroyed that one. I loved it. 64 likes. You guys are incredible. 114 people in here. If we get 2 streams in a row with above 100 likes, I'm going to be happy, man. You guys killed that. Bronson needs to show up and click that like button because Bronson won a t-shirt in the Discord. If you guys are not in the Discord, make sure to sign up for the Discord. Bronson, J-Bones was nice enough. J-Bones, we had medium and small shirts to give away in the Discord today. J-Bones was actually first to respond, but can't fit into a smaller medium, so we got Bronson. Bronson's got himself a shirt on the way right now. Outdoor Smile says they won't learn. No, they never will, man. They never will. It's almost impossible to squeeze in. Yeah, Dean, it does seem difficult, right? But nothing is ever impossible. 4 million retail investors would have to buy 25 to 100 ape each to have voting control for the near to mid future. But I don't even know if they need to buy the additional. They just need to make sure that they have the additional 25 to 100 ape each, right? Because we're going to be getting it. They just have to make sure that they don't sell the 25 to 100. And I actually don't know this, Frodo. Maybe somebody else out there has a better memory or easier access to these numbers than I do right now. But I was thinking about it earlier. Does anybody know the percentage of what that vote was? Because if there were 65% of the votes that voted against additional authorized shares, but then we had, what is the other one? 35% of the votes that voted for authorizing new shares, we got to be careful that we just don't sway that additional 15-20% right there. Because think about it, guys. If we've got those shares falling in, just 15% of those shares falling into the wrong hands, all of a sudden they own the majority vote instead of us. And I know it wasn't 100% voting against authorized shares. I just didn't know if anybody had that number. I don't know what that number was. Like if it was 55 to 45. It's only a 5% difference, man. If these people can eat up an extra 5% shares of ape, well, all of a sudden they got the majority vote that could swing us for newly authorized shares and so on. So I didn't know what those numbers were. If anybody else did know what those numbers were. Where Hedgie's Kryptonite. Yeah, Frodo. It's like cats for me. Where Hedgie's Kryptonite. This is the thing, man. I'm stronger than Superman, dude. I ain't even worried about Kryptonite. That don't even bother me. A cat, on the other hand. You put a cat in my room. That is my kryptonite. Let's see. So then, what's our weight is still squeeze. Chris, either no dilution or we have to eat those shares if we do get diluted. I mean, that's basically it, dude. That's basically it. That's why I really hate dilution. We're either going to have to eat it, and I don't want to spend another $1 billion, but we're going to have to spend another $1 billion and eat all these shares, or no dilution. Vroom is dude, is Vroom ripping, or are you just saying that? Because I know Vroom was down big earlier. What is this guy saying to me right now? Vroom ripping, lies. Yeah, lies, man. It's not ripping right now. It's ripping down. Ah, boy, Vecna coming in here like that. I don't even know what he's doing on. Let's see. You down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. You have a one-pack, Tim. One-pack's the best kind of pack to have. Some of them try to rhyme, but they can't rhyme like this. Crisscross makes you wanna jump. Hey, Wanna, are you in the chat right now? If you are, hello. Hope you're having a good day. By the VRM dip, June bugger, that's up to you. I'm not buying VRM. I really don't know if it's going to do anything or not. I did have some VRM options. I sold them before they expired. They did expire worthless, so kind of glad that I got out of those. But it would have been nice if it ran like it did a couple days ago, but it ran in July instead of August. I missed it by a month, man. Cat night, Clay. Cat night. Yes, that is exactly right, dude. I'm like, you put a cat in the room, dude. It's bad news. It's bad news if you put a cat in the room. No joke. Michael! Spell token is hot. Hit the like button, peeps. Spell token still running. Spell token was at 26% higher earlier. And where is Spell Token? Ooh, Spell Token sitting 36% higher right now. Spell Token at 0.016, looking very good there. If we got a 3-month chart, dude, Spell was down to 0.007. It is already more than doubled in price since June 18th. So Spell is doing very well there on a yearly. Yeah, I imagine that was the high that we saw there or the low that we saw there on that 3-month chart. So very nice, man. Very nice. Spell is doing very well today. Up 36% at the moment. If you guys want to take a look at Spell token, we got that magic internet money in Spell token right there with a 36% gain today. I know I wouldn't touch a Reddit bag of holders. They're going to jump, pump, and dump and leave everyone else holding the bag. We don't like a Reddit bag. Oh, man. Reddit this, Reddit that. Reddit's a scary place, guys. Who uses Webull? Use his link in the description. Yes, man. If you guys use Webull or want to use Webull, definitely use the link in the description below. You guys are going to get some free stocks for using it. And look, even if you aren't sure if you want to make a deposit yet and do any of that stuff, if you do use the link, like your reward carries over, and then you can just sign up and make your deposit whenever you want to make your deposit. But at least you're going to have a link that you used in order to do it. Who uses iPhone? One and only Bronson. I'm a Samsung man, dude. I just doing something. I've been watching one coin. That when the others go down, it usually goes up and vice versa. Starting to buy and sell accordingly makes it a bit nice. Eagle. Which coin you want? Which coin is it, man? Today's a socks off kind of day, my brother. Leonard, it might be a socks off kind of day tonight, but currently the socks are on. Our YouTubers acting like Adam Aaron said he was going to dilute the AMC stock immediately. Never said AMC Trapper. So I can't speak for other YouTubers, right? I don't know, but my assumption, and you are right, he did not say that he was going to do it immediately. But what's the best way to put it? My impression is that because he only referred to APE as being a currency, right? APE is the new currency for AMC. When you have a currency, you spend it, right? You go out there and you spend it. APE is his ticket. It's his money ticket. And he's going to be using it and he made clear that he will be using it. And he said for future merger and acquisition type deals where they can go out and they can buy additional theaters, we'll be using it to pay down debt and basically using it for anything that AMC wants to spend money on. The reference to it as a currency directly implies that it will be spent to me. And when that timeline looks like, I don't know. I truly do believe it's inevitable, but I don't know when it's going to be. So I don't know if it's going to be next week. I don't know if it's going to be next month. I don't know if it's going to be next year, right? I don't know the timeline on it, but the reference to it being a currency, to me, makes it inevitable that it will be spent and will be used. So that's where I got it from. I don't know what other people are drawing their conclusions at. Let's see. Can't join the bros with iPhone. Yes, you can, Bronson. You can join the bro. You got to copy and paste that link in the description, though, to do. You have to. There's a link down there that says join the channel, become a bro, whatever. You got to paste that on Safari if you want to do it on iPhone. MC Trapper, good question. We like drama. I really don't like drama, man. Forget the drama, all that stuff. Coach, thoughts on Casper? Bevan, I have absolutely like the friendly ghost. Are we talking there's a cryptocurrency called Casper out there? Definitely gonna meet up after. Heck yeah, MEGL. Oh my gosh, CV problem. You didn't get into MEGL, did you? Apes will spell the doom of short hedge funds betting against AMC and GME. I love it, dude. I hope it does. Please remember a Civic protocol and help me understand why it does this up and when the market is down, and then so Eagle, man. Civic protocol. I have no idea what they do. Eagle. Maybe they could be some sort of an algorithmic smart contract that is pegged to the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin, but it's contra. So it does go up if Bitcoin or whatever goes down, and it does go down if Bitcoin or whatever goes up. But I have no idea. I've never even heard of Civic protocol or whatever. So that's what I would... that would be my first assumption, just based on what you're saying. Net trading. Nice, man. Listen, I don't know if we've got all the validators to update yet, though, right? I think that's the only thing we're waiting on. Is that correct, net trading? We are only waiting on 50% of the validators to update. Other than that, yes, dude. We do have Terraform Labs and Terra Rebels both putting out the same update to have the 1.2% burn tax and staking implemented onto the blockchain. Bro, totally fell asleep for a minute, hoping I'll get to sleep. Oh my gosh, dark matter, man. Wake up, dude. Wake up. Shib gained another 0. We don't want to see Shib gain a 0. We want to see Shib drop a 0. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1100 and 1201. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1201 right now. I went to remove the bots and realized I'm not a mod here. Riptide Redemption. No, dude, no. Riptide Redemption. You gotta show up more, man. You gotta show up more. You just been starting to come back a little bit here recently. You gotta stay here. Yes, 1.2%, but still will be time before I. Shane, perfect, man. Perfect. That was the assumption that I was making. I just want to make sure that we do have the validators going out there and downloading the update. Moon for sure. LFG, you better get in yesterday. Do it. Do it. Do it. Luna Classic, guys, sitting at 95.44 points right now. It's still down, but it was down a little bit heavier earlier on the day. Hey, bro, please make sure J-Bones is not hidden from the channel. Yes, I can do that. Luciana Chalita. Seja bem-vindo, Luciana. Como você está hoje? Espero que você está bem e muito obrigado por vir aqui. Let's see if we have J-Bones hidden. No, where do I need to go? Settings. Community. We get so many people that are hidden, and there's no way to sort by. There's no way to sort by most recent. J-Bones, J-Bones, J-Bones. Are you like? Can you type? God, we got 331 people blocked. Oh, J-Bones. No, you're not hidden. Oh, thank God, J-Bones. You just saved me like a half hour scrolling through 300 people. Whew. I'm glad J-Bones is in here, man. I was getting worried. I was going to have to go look through 300 people. I see J-Bones, me too, man. Perfect. J-Bones, J-Bones. Whew. Good deal, man. J-Bones is still in here. AMC will rip and MOS before AA run will issue a bunch more ape after this first round. That is what I think. It doesn't make sense for him to sell ape now when the price goes. Yeah, Frodo. Listen, I do agree with that part, right? I also don't want him to do it when we're rising, right? I don't want AMC because remember, after this split, AMC would only have to go to $36 a share to equal the 72 that it was at before. I would hate to see that dude come in and issue another billion ape if we rip up to $36 a share again. That would be devastating to me. I don't want to see that. I would rather see it like on the way back down or something if he does decide to do that, or kind of like a last ditch effort. I don't want to see the dude eyeing $36 billion and ready to go out there and issue a billion shares trading at $30 a share like that and be like, oh, we can have $36 billion. Because, I mean, think about it, guys. He's going to be very tempted. If he can raise $30 billion for AMC, he's going to be tempted to do it. If he can raise $10 billion, pay off $5 billion worth of debt, and have $5 billion in the bank, he's going to be very, very tempted to raise that type of money. That puts you in an entirely new league if you can raise $10 billion. I mean, I hope that the temptation doesn't make him do it. I see Bones. Nice. J-Bones. I see Bones too, man. Heck yeah. We've got, sorry, J-Bones, your name is right under the sexy bots. You gotta watch out. You're next to them sexy bots. You guys better run. Use your home as collateral when you borrow money and secure the financing with the value of your home. Oh, God, Corey. Corey's telling you go take out a second mortgage or go take out an equity line on your house to buy Terra Luna Classic. Don't do that. Don't do it. J-Bones! Don't delete J-Bones, man. Come on. One and only Bronson. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name and becoming a little bro. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, everybody in here, 111, welcome Bronsons to the chat right now. Bronson, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Absolutely appreciate it. Again, I don't know what you're waiting on. Welcome, Bronson. Dark Matter knows what's going on. Dark Matter, thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Bronson, yeah, outdoor smile. Bronson becoming a bro. Heck yeah. Bronson is back. Back again. Moji, yeah, it must have been the t-shirt. I don't know, man. Maybe you can justify it. Somebody was mad about a $2.99 charge on YouTube or whatever. We're good to go now. Bronson's back with that green name. That's what I'm talking about. Bronson becoming a bro. Heck yeah, man. Love the AMC Shiba content. Keep it coming. Kabasi, Cabeza, thank you very much. Appreciate that. And I can assure you, we're here every single day. And we are growing our portfolios together. And that is not just me saying that. This microphone smells weird. I never really smelled it before until just now. It still smells new. Nice, man. Hey, Kelly Scott, what's going on? JB says, welcome. Thank you. JB, you excited, man? JB's got his shirt on the way. Bronson's got his shirt on the way. And Pika Power has a shirt on the way right now. Bro, glad to see your streams and appreciate the support and thoughts, insights that you consistently do. Still hold my good old GME with everyone. Have a blessed day, afternoon. Merciful Ninja. Appreciate the positive feedback, man. Thank you very much for that. And heck yeah, dude, I can't wait to see GameStop rip up to higher prices as well. I want to see $100 plus a share on GameStop now that we've had that 3 for 1 or 4 for 1 splividend or whatever you guys were calling it. Fix my Discord color now. Ooh yes, Bronson should have a green Discord. I gotta see Bronson where Bronson is in the Discord right now. If I could do it while I'm up, I gotta scroll through all it. Dang, dude. JB must have been on that, Bronson, because you're already green, dude. And I literally just went over there after seeing that. JB must be on it, man. You guys better be careful with JB. Shoot. JB, was that you? Was that JB? Because my goodness, man. JB rolling quick. I got it literally open on my computer right here, and JB's faster than I am. Clay, are you for sure 2022 is the best year ever? Because I'm questioning it. My daughter's okay, but Bambi died. John J. Alvarez, man. I'm telling you right now that 2022, yes, could be the best year ever. Listen, 2022, I don't think it's going to be the best monetary gain that we've ever had. But I will tell you this. 2022 is going to make you stronger. And 2022 is potentially going to set you up with all of the setup that we need to make the rest of our, lives, right? You have to be willing to buy, and you have to get in at deep discounts if you want to see some massive growth. Do we see the massive growth in 2022? Maybe not. But 2022 is absolutely providing us with that opportunity. So, shoot, I'm excited about it nonetheless, and I do think that we're going to see some good things because of it. And kind of sucks that deer died, but I'm glad your daughter's okay, man. I wonder if you could balance Pika's PSA 10 on the crib. Yeah, dude, I know it would definitely balance on there, but then you couldn't really see it. But dude, it's my PSA 10 now. Come on, from Pika. Don't you know how gifts work? Look at this, man. Look at this. You guys see this right? This is beauty. If you've ever seen a piece of artwork, I want to get a frame and hang this. I actually don't want to hang it up anywhere in here. I want to hang this up. There's this little spot in my living room where the wall kind of jets out a little bit, where I took one wall down. They had like a little pony wall to separate the dining room from the living room. I want to put this right there on that wall in a nice frame. You guys can see this bad boy, right? You guys can see this? Oh, I know you can see that. Can you read that right there? Ooh, yes. PSA 10, baby. PSA 10 Charizard. I love it, man. I love it. This bad boy definitely going to get hung up. Probably not here, but probably in my living room. Never seen a better piece of artwork than what that is right there. Let's see, 2022, saw a tornado 400 feet away. That was cool. True story. That sounds extremely scary, man. Hopefully you're okay. Bronson has leftover green from before. Yes, dude. Listen, if you guys go from green to gray and then back to green, it picks up where you left off. As soon as I get paid. King Mamba, grabbing a green name? Is that what you're talking about? It's up to you, man. Listen, you guys don't have to worry about grabbing green names if you don't want to. Absolutely appreciate everybody that does have a green name, but obviously, man, if you got to worry about getting a paycheck or anything like that, don't worry about a green name. Make me the last of your concerns. See you, Clay. Oh my gosh. Dude, I still get my 1 Bro membership badge. Nice. Dark Matter. Now that's what I'm talking about. Guys, I don't understand how it is already 5 o'clock. This went extremely fast. We are going to get off here for now. We're going to have videos coming out tonight, 7 p.m. Videos coming out tonight, 8 p.m. Absolutely appreciate everybody. And look, join the Discord if you have not done so already. Bronson's got a free bro shirt on the way because my man was quick in the Discord today. All right? J Bones was a little quicker. Yes, Bronson got a little lucky. But nonetheless, join the Discord. And after you got to verify yourself. Okay, so just click the little green check mark in the Discord. If you are already in the Discord, you still got to verify yourself by clicking that green check mark. No bots, no spammers, no scammers, nothing like that in there. So make sure to check that. There's over like 700 people in there, but currently 168 have verified themselves. So please do so if you have not done so already. Verify yourself in there, and then you guys can choose the roles and selections and choose which place that which places you want to talk about. You can choose all of them if you want. But community, AMC, GameStop, Lunatics, Shiba Inu coin, NFTs, all that stuff. If you guys want to hang out in there, it's fun. And of course, if I decide to give away some more t-shirts, pay attention to the Discord as well. So all of you guys, man, we'll do these shout-outs, and then we will be back tonight with the videos. But Moji, Next Level, Dark Matter, Outdoor Smile, AMC Trevor saying peace out of the Diamond Hand Apes and the Shiba Army. Lee Davies, see ya later. Next Level, 11 Simon, DD214, Krefelder, Chevy Silver Raider, see ya later, man. Riptide Redemption, cheers to you. Michael Allen, peace out, man. Owning the Float, have a great day. Owning the Float, what's going on, man? Enjoy the day, JB, peace out to you. Outdoor Smile, John J. Rodrigo, man. Not from this world, see ya later. AMC Trapper, enjoy your afternoon. Frodo, bye, everyone. Have a great day. See you on the Discord. Heck yeah, that's the place to be. Riptide Redemption, heck, how do I verify? Riptide, all you gotta do, man, is go to the Discord, and then there's this rules and verification section. If you click on that, there's a little green check mark, and all you gotta do is click on the little green check mark and react to it that JB's got posted in there, and then it will verify you, and you'll be able to type in. I don't know if you can type anywhere else in the Discord until you verify yourself, but simple as that. Just click the little green check mark, and you're good to go. Corey, free Discord, man. Absolutely free. There's no paid sections. The supporters chat, however, you can only get in the supporters chat if you have a green name in YouTube, or if you boost the server there. That's the only way you can get in the supporters chat. But nonetheless, it is a free Discord, like community chat and all the other AMC chat, stocks chat, crypto chat, all that stuff is free. The supporter chat is simply for green names or boosters on the Discord, but everything else is free, man. Owning the Float, see you later, Krefelder, Abri, and enjoy your afternoon. Letter than Sir Simon, one and only Bronson, and Frodo, see you later. Turn off your DMs in the Discord and don't accept the fake Clay. Yes, please do not accept anything from fake Clay, bro. Please do not do that. Content creator, man, see you later. Outdoor Smile, content creator, one and only Bronson, Outdoor Smile. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.